I'm going to work on this beautiful 3D petal flower. For demonstration, I have made the exact flower in another color. Both flowers were decorated beads in the center. For work you need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook and bead. Begin the work by making a chain of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. We got a ring. Let's begin round 1. It will be a round of double crochet stitches. Make chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, and make 23 double crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Continue working till you will get 23 double crochet. Once we have done 23 double crochet, to complete this round, insert the hook into the third chain stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. Round 1 is made. Let's begin the base for the petals. For this, make chain 2 to bring up the yarn, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch of the previous round by making double crochet. Make a chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over the hook, we skip a stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch of the previous round, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over the hook, we skip a stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then pull through. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. I have just done the last base. Insert the hook into the stitch like this by making a slip stitch. Round 2 is done. The base for the petals is ready. Let's start the petal for the flower. At the beginning I will be working in this side and with stitches of the lower round, and in this side and stitches of the lower round. Let's start. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, and 3. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. I will be working with this ring. Insert the hook into the ring. Pull up to the level of 3 chains, like this. Then yarn over and pull up a loop through 6 times. First is done. We need to make 5 more times. Make the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth. Then yarn over the hook. I will work with lower round. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. First is done. We need to make 2 more times. In total it should be 3. Make the second one and the third one. Then yarn over the hook and pull through 3 loops 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and make the last one. We have 2 loops on the hook. While you turn the work, remove the hook and insert it into these 2 loops from the other side. One side of the petal is done, and we need to make the other one. Let's begin. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the ring, pull up a loop through 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the lower stitch, pull up a loop through 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then yarn over and pull through 3 loops, repeat 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through 3 loops at once. Turn the work to the back side. Make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the last chain stitch by making a slip stitch. Here it is. Turn the work again, and let's make one more petal. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into chain space by making single crochet. Then make 5 single crochet more into the chain space. It should be 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Insert the hook into the stitch of the previous round by making a slip stitch. Make a chain of 3, and so on. And we stop and look at the first petal. We have got an unusual 3D string petal. This is front and this is back. It should be 8 petals First is done, we need to make 7 more. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. Once we have done all petals, and let's complete this round together. After single crochet stitches, insert the hook into top of the double crochet that we made a slip stitch before, and make a slip stitch into this double crochet. We have just done the slip stitch. Let's cut off the yarn. The flowers is completely ready. This is front side. And this is back of the flower. You can add a bead to the center of the flower by your wish. For example, I have made some exact flowers, but in another colors. This is first example, and this is the second example. This pretty yellow flower consists of 6 petals. Thanks for watching.